Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at gold for the day. So actually, before we get started, if you've not subscribed, check. If you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So now take a look at this gold. We did weekly analysis on this gold. I told you guys that we will be having a bullish move on the weekly time frame. We would want to see this price breaks above this highs. Guess what? We've actually had that bullish move. And one of the major reasons why we actually have this bullish move on gold is like we saw a drop on USD index or DXY. We all know that there's a correlation between USD or DXY to our gold. Once there's a drop on our DXY, then we tend to see a bullish move on our gold. But once there's a bullish move on our DXY, then we tend to see a drop on our gold. So clearly we can see that DXY is now dropping. There's a bearish move. So definitely any other pairs we would be trading to DXY or USD should give us a bullish move. So gold is one of the major reasons why we'll be expecting a bullish move. So I told you guys that for the week we would expect this price to actually go bullish to break above this ice. Guess what? We've actually had this bullish move. Price has broken this ice. So now the price is what I want you guys to watch out for is that reason why I highlighted this level, right? If you're following this channel, I told you guys the reasons is that once price has jacked to a level previously, right, especially multiple times, price is close to that level, or price will definitely get to that level and react to that level. So we can see that price once reacted to this level, we saw price came to this level, it went up. Price came to this level, it went up. So price has reacted to this level. One of the reasons why I highlighted it. So once price broke below it, we saw price give us a pullback to test this level. The price dropped. And I told you guys that since price is going up, price definitely needs to get to this same level. Right now, price is at this level. So I want you guys to know that if you have to take a look at our DXY, right, you see that DXY is giving us a bullish move. So any other pairs will be trading to DXY, which is our good, needs to give us a bullish move. But before we go bullish, I think a pullback needs to be made for you, right? So let's expect a pullback. We don't know if the pullback will be made today, but a pullback will be happening anytime soon. So I told you guys, right, in the previous analysis that at least gold needs to get to a level of 1,800. Watch out for that level. Guess what? You are currently trading at 1,801. So price, those of you that have gone long will have grabbed. So I mean, this gold, you should possibly wait for a pullback before you enter to go long. Though this gold itself, we will continue the bullish move since our DXY or USD index is dropping. So we will continue a bullish move. Possibly to next week. This price, this is the level we'll be watching out for next week, which is a level of 1,877, right? So we are currently trading at 1,800. By next week, we should expect this gold to hit 1,877 or 1,870. But before that, I think a pullback needs to be made because we saw that price has reacted to this level previously multiple times. So expect a reaction at this level. And if in case price breaks above it, then do not be surprised. The price should give us a pullback. We all know the rules of trading support and resistance is that once price breaks out of a resistance level, right, price must definitely give us a pullback to test that resistance level. But if it breaks out of a support level, price must come back to test that support level. Now let's just imagine, this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. So we can take this as a support and resistance level, right? We saw that price will come to this resistance level, then drop to this support level. Price came to this resistance level. Guess what? It broke above it. What do we see next? Price give us a pullback to test this resistance level, and it continues a bullish move upward. So this is what I want you guys to be watching out for on this gold. That there's possibility that we would have a pullback at this level on gold and go bullish, right? Before we continue the bullish move, or this gold can push up and break above this level, which I think will happen, which I personally will be speculating on. So once price can break above this level, then we should expect price to give us a pullback to test this level because price has been reacting to this level previously. So definitely if price breaks above this level, which is a level, if it breaks above a level of 1,812, that is 1,812, then expect a pullback on this gold before it continues its bullish move. Above all, the best time to enter trade to go long on this gold, like I said, we would still be saying the next level we would want to say the next major level we would want gold to tap or hit is around 1,877. That is 1,877. So that is the level we want to be watching out for. But I think we should wait for a pullback before we enter this trade. So there are two ways pullback will be happening at this gold, right? It's either we have a pullback at this level here because price has reacted to this level previously. A pullback should happen here, then continue a bullish move, or we can patiently wait and see if price will break above this level, pullback go above this level, then a pullback will be made before we continue the bullish move. So above all, I just want you guys to know that a pullback needs to be made before you enter to go long. So be patient enough. If you don't have the pullback this Friday, then by next week, Monday or Tuesday, we would have the pullback. So above all, before you go long on this gold, especially for the long term, especially if you are a swing trader, because that is what I do, wait for a pullback. It is the best thing. Just be patient enough, just be patient, wait for a pullback. Once the pullback has played out, once price possibly go up and give us a pullback here, then we can enter to go long on this gold. And if in case pullback happens at this level, then no problem, we will now go long on this gold. So gold, we should be waiting for a pullback to play out before we go long. But I think I personally am speculating that this price will break above it before a pullback will be made. So that is what I speculate. Now let's see what this 4 hour time frame says. So this 4 hour time frame, you can see it's still on a bullish move, right? We can see higher highs and higher lows, coupled with the fact that this price is above our moving average. So we all know once price is above the moving average, it is a buy. We have to go long. So clearly you can see that this price is giving us higher highs, higher lows. You can see that this price is above our moving average. So clearly this is a time to actually go long. So we are seeing a pullback here, this level where price has reacted to previously. So I still expect price to actually push up further, breaks above the level, which I think will happen. And if it does not happen, then no problem. Price will push up, break above it, give us a pullback, then we can go long. So this gold, right? Let's see if we have a bullish move for the day.